Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your PS5 is online and updated. This removes blockers. Once connected, sign into your PlayStation Network account so permissions and network services are active. Next, navigate immediately to a place that can open web content, use the media gallery, or a game's web link in the Game Hub to trigger the system browser capability. Doing this early saves time because the PS5 doesn't expose a direct browser icon. You need that web trigger to continue. Once you've triggered the PS5 web view, bring up the address bar and type or paste Google.com. Using a USB keyboard speeds this up, but the controller works too. Make sure to press R3 or the on-screen menu to adjust zoom and text size so results are readable on TV. Also enable full screen or focus mode if available, because it reduces UI clutter and improves navigation using the D-pad and face buttons. These steps help you search faster and avoid typing errors. Now use Google as you would on other devices. Type queries, open results, and use image or video tabs to access content. Make sure to save Google.com to your browser history or create a shortcut so you can return without repeating the trigger sequence. If pages fail to load or links open incompletely, restart the router, toggle PS5 network settings, or relaunch the web view. Clearing cache or switching DNS to a public resolver often fixes stubborn loading issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.